Hello, this was our meal today. Some dry fruits, tender cashews, Bibbo in Konkani. This is the Boondi Ladoo, which is delicious. This is amazing. It's chana dal, chana dali panchka dahi, which is actually a prasad made to offer to God. These are so yum. These tender ones are soft and nice, and these ones which are a little mature, those are amazing to enjoy. They had just like that or in a stir fry. We just enjoyed them, gobbled them up today, and mom is planning to make a stir fry tomorrow. And this is tori, these beans, drumstick, and Chayote curry, coconut curry. This is chana and Surna yam curry, coconut curry, chane Surna gashi, and this is so yum. This is pumpkin stir fry, which has these pieces of sugarcane in it. So sugarcane juices have gotten in with the pumpkin and has added to the sweetness of the dish. And this is one delicious salad. All elements of crunch and spice and sweetness and tanginess from raw mango has all elements in it. This is one heck of a delicious raw mango chutney, Ambuli chutney, and since we are not supposed to eat garlic, it's made with a very nice hint of asafoetida in it, and papad, urad dal papad, and some rasam and rice, and some horse gram Kulitha saaru, which has bimbal in it. Bimbal is the bilimbi, and this is combo and seed. That is, this is the ghoul. So it is sambar with field marrow and a brinjal, which is very specific to Udupi. And you need to look at the desserts. This is Govakani paisu, wheat rava paisam. This is carrot paisam, which is so yum. Carrot paisam with a little bit of rava in it. And this is a very delicious panak. It has pepper, lemon, ginger, and jaggery. And this is so delicious. You can have just 4 glasses of this. This is Kokum Juice, spicy version of the Kokum Juice with made with chili and ginger, cumin and green chilies. So that was our meal today. One very yum delicious meal.